Universal City Walk has so much entertainment. It's not just about the theme parks, the dining. They also have a little lesser known activity here, and that is mini golfing. We are coming in today at the Hollywood Drive-In Golf. They're basically a premier mini golfing course right here at CityWalk in Orlando. This is something that as long as I've been coming to Universal, I've always seen, but have never done. It's been a long time since I've gone mini golfing, so we'll see how good I am. They're pretty dead and pretty slow at this time of the day. It is a weekday. Holiday crowds are diminishing. Finally, it's been a very long holiday season here. Basically been avoiding the parks, and this will also be our first time back to the parks in the new year. So welcome everyone for the first official video that we are filming in 2025. Gonna be a good year, I can feel it. Something epic might be happening down the road. You guys tell me what I'm talking about because I have no idea. Nothing epic happening here, particularly in May, that's for sure. And so with your Premier Annual Pass discount, it does come out to $39.81 for 2 people. It saves you a good amount, but let's head on down there and check it out.
So the 2 courses they have are the Hauntings of the Ghostly Greens and Invaders from Planet Putt. But the one we are currently about to do is the Hauntings of Ghostly Greens, and it's basically going to be like a haunted cemetery on with a haunted house back in the background.
Okay, so let's get going. Going to be a spectacular time. I'll get the red.
There you go.
Golfing supreme right over here.
Oh my god. 2?
2. Yeah, be better than you. Are you kidding me? 3. Guys, the Hollywood Drive-In Golf here in CityWalk was a lot of fun. We did both courses. We didn't think we were going to, but we did do both courses. The score on the first course is all that matters.
No, it does not.
It is all that matters.
No, the second one is.
I won on the first course.
I won on the second course.
Yeah, no one cares about that. Give me that. Now, something I didn't mention before is that when you do the course, it comes with a trivia game. Both of them have their own trivia questions. If you get all the answers right, you win a scratch-off. So we basically got 4 different scratch-offs between both courses because there's 2 of us.
Yeah.
It was a lot of fun. Don't sleep on the Hollywood Drive-In Golf here in CityWalk. We put it off for so many years, and I'm glad we finally were able to come out and do it for ourselves. You want to do it? You want to do the outro?
I'll do the outro.
You want to do it? Okay.
I'm an audience now. And that's it for the ParkTwister channel. Please check us out next time. Please like and subscribe.
Aced it. And that's going to do it from Universal Orlando Resort. We have tons of videos planned heading into 2025, and I will see you on the next one.